When growing your business, hiring shouldn't be the hardest part. But for many teams, it is. You're trying to hire great talent and fast. But recruiting tools slow you down. Tedious, manual tasks, not integrated with HR. The fastest growing companies hire faster. With Deel's AI-powered ATS, you can too. Hiring speeds up, more automation, less busy work, and a smoother experience for everyone. Plus, AI takes ATS to the next level, helping you with posting jobs to popular sites, finding candidates from internal and external sources, screening and scoring candidates, and even interview summaries, giving you more time to review candidates and share feedback. It's all from one module fully integrated in Deel HR. So when headcount's approved, a job requisition gets automatically created. When an offer is accepted, onboarding begins right away. No standalone tools. Recruiters and HR work from the same data. Hiring in challenging markets, Deel makes that easier too. Access recruiting partners directly from the ATS to find talent anywhere. And with built-in analytics, your hiring strategy gets smarter. Track your talent pipeline and see which job sites bring in the most applicants. Spot where candidates drop off, and optimize hiring at every step. It's the complete candidate to hire experience, all within Deel, powered by AI.